My concrete guy died today. Well, not really, but he did take a really long nap. Welcome back to I bought a boat and it came with a free house. There's that disgustingly beautiful boat that'll never get worked on. Today we're ripping out all of our old sill plates that can only be described as, well, crunchy. While I was ripping out all the sill plates, I did manage to find a few of these little friends here. So, had to spray them. My concrete guys showed up early to pour me brand new footings, and they decided to mix everything by hand, from the sand to the Portland cement and the gravel. Absolutely ridiculous. If you're a concrete guy, you're cray-cray. When I asked them why, they simply told me concrete trucks take too long, bro. They were just at it like that all day. Ridiculous. And before they poured, I made sure everything was rebarred properly, attached to the current foundation correctly. Man, that Taco Bell be hitting different. Anyone else feel like they need a Tums right now? Patented teams are full. While they took care of that, I noticed that a lot of the framing was inadequate, so I will end up replacing almost all of it. This has become ridiculous. And when I went to go check on them, they were already finishing up. Absolutely wild, looks amazing, and that's probably why.